Have a SYC file with KORG Synthesizer patches you need to load onto your hardware? These contain system-exclusive MIDI data for KORG synths. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and transfer these KORG Synthesizer system-exclusive data files. A critical part of my workflow, having a universal file viewer installed, acts as a quick test for SYC file damage. My exact recommendation is linked below. A SYC file contains system-exclusive SysEx data for KORG synthesizers and workstations, such as the Kronos or M3. Musicians and producers use these files to back up, restore, or share entire sound banks, patches, and global settings, allowing them to manage their custom sounds outside the hardware. This is a binary file structured according to the MIDI System Exclusive specification. It contains manufacturer-specific data dumps from the synthesizer's memory. This raw binary format is designed for direct transmission over a MIDI interface, ensuring a perfect bit-for-bit copy of the hardware's internal state. KORG Synthesizers from KORG Inc. is the core program designed for the SYC structure. Full file integrity and validation must be managed by the proprietary software. Windows shows only basic file facts, so deeper investigation requires the correct program. We're performing a compatibility scan. Right-click your SYC file and choose Open With. Test KORG Synthesizers first. If it's not there, select another program. This process often reveals the simplest solution. To truly fix this, let's review the why, the top technical reasons this specific SYC error occurs on your system. First, loading via KORG Editor. Install the KORG Editor or KORG Control Editor software for your specific synthesizer model. Connect the synthesizer via USB or MIDI and use the editor's file then open function to load the SYC file. Use Send to Synth functionality to transmit the SysEx data to the connected hardware, updating patches and settings. Next, sending with SysEx tool. Use a various developers' SysEx utility like MIDI aux on Windows or SysEx librarian on Mac OS to transmit the SYC file. Configure the MIDI output port to your KORG synthesizer's MIDI input. Open the SYC file as a SysEx dump and click Send. The synthesizer receives and applies the patch data through standard MIDI protocols. Finally, examining in Hex Editor. Open the SYC file in HXD or HexFind Hex Editor to inspect the SysEx message structure. Look for KORG manufacturer ID bytes and device identifier sequences. This examination helps verify file integrity and compatibility with your specific KORG model before attempting MIDI transmission to hardware, potentially preventing patch corruption issues. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Give the video a thumbs up if it helped, and subscribe for ongoing technical solutions.